Hey YouTube, it's Luke here. So this is a Volkswagen Touareg 2013. This is a much requested video on how to take apart the bumper on this vehicle and how to remove the headlights. Now I've fitted aftermarket headlights on this car. The indicator bulbs are a little tricky to change as they're down here, so it's easier to take the headlight out completely. So I've kind of perfected removing the headlights now, so you don't have to detach the bumper completely. Now, to start with, you're going to want to take these T27, I think they are, there's 4 of them. You're going to need to take these out. This releases the grille, and then the grille you're going to want to pull at the top forward slightly, and then you'll see down there, you can see the clips. Now, essentially, where those clips are, which are right there where my finger is, those clips, you're going to want to grab underneath the grille like this and then pull hard towards you, and that will release the clips. It's better to do it on one side and then the other, and then the grille's released. Now, you also might be able to see there's other T27 bolts. There's 4 of them. This is what's holding the top of the bumper in place. Now, once you take those out, there's no more screws to release the bumper at the top. You took them all out. More screws that you have to take out. There's 3 screws. They're all T30 screws holding the headlight in. One is on the top, which you can remove. Another you can actually get to through the bumper plug, but if this is the first time you're doing this, you'll have to take the bumper off anyway, so there's no point to get to a screw which is behind here. Now this screw, which is hard for me to point out, the screw that's behind here, I didn't put back in, and my lamp is perfectly secure here. It doesn't move with just the 2 screws in. And that means I can remove this headlight by just taking this cover off, unscrewing, and this screw here. So I don't have to deal with all of this anymore. And that just is helpful to know, because you really don't need it. So once you've done this section, you're going to want to move on to your side. Now, you have these plastic wheel well covers. The first screw is right at the bottom of the cover down here. It's underneath, and it's right there. So this screw, you're going to want to take out this screw, and then you're going to also want to take out, and then that's it actually for this. So then you're going to have to pull away from the car like this on the cover hard, and it will unclip. You'll get it off enough that you can get to. There's another 2 screws behind this cover, which is securing this. Now, it won't come all of the ways away. You'll probably get it to about here, and then you'll be able to grab around here and pull hard forward, and you'll be able to release the bumper from its clips on this side. But before you do that, you're probably going to want to take the screws from underneath. There's 1 screw, there's 2 screws. So there's 1, 2, 3 screws underneath, which you need to take out. And then this whole bumper, when you pull forward hard here, you want to pull forward, not to the side like this. You want to pull forward, and then it will peel forward the bumper. You'll get it away then. You'll then have the bumper loose on the car, and you'll essentially be able to access the 2 screws under here and take the headlight out. Now, you can do the same on here, on this side at the same time. What I do advise is there's 3 screws which are directly underneath the license plate here, which hold the bumper in. And they also hold the oil pan in. The bumper and the oil pan are connected, so you need to take those screws off the oil pan. Then the bumper will unclip. It's very fiddly to peel it away from the car, but you will do it. Personally, I wouldn't recommend doing it. It's pretty hard to get the bumper back on, especially if there's only one of you. So I would just do, like I said, if you're taking off the headlights, I would just do what I said, leave those 3 screws in underneath the license plate and you'll be good to go. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. You know, and just remember, when you put it back, do not put the screw back, which is right here. It's about here. Holds the headlight in place. You don't need to put it back. If you have xenon headlights, factory xenons, these are going to be your washer jet. So you're going to have to take the bumper off each time anyway. So there is bonuses to not having washer jets. Anyway, guys, thanks a lot. And I hope this video is helpful for you.